Hey, what is going on, guys? Bringing y'all another video, and today we got a little something up there. Got a little something right there on the hood for you guys. Y'all ready to see what we got? So the wind is blowing real crazy, so I don't know how good the audio is gonna be or how bad it's gonna be. It's super cold out here in South Louisiana right now, and here comes the sun. Look at that. Super cold this morning. Let me show y'all what we got here.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Look at that. You got the turn signals, the LEDs, got the lights on the back. Super nice. Yeah, these things are super nice. So give us some padding to put between the mirrors and the doors. So they look really good, guys. Let's go ahead. Hey, get back here. So we're gonna go ahead and throw them on the truck, show you how to do that and see what they look like on there. All right, guys, so first thing I want to do, obviously open your door. I'm starting on the passenger side here, which is same thing for the driver's side pretty much. So you got this little cover here, you don't want to pop that off. You can use something to pry it a little bit or just pop it off with your hands like I just did there. Very simple. All you really need to get started is a 10mm socket and an extension and a ratchet, of course. You got 3 10mm right here, which is holding the mirror on. Just them 3 right here, and that'll take the mirror off. Now, you might want to roll your window down. Roll your window down just so you better hold the mirror, you know. Ooh, it is cold. Now you want to be careful not to drop these nuts down here. Be very cautious on what you're doing. You don't want to overwork yourself.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
That's what it looks like so far. Now you just repeat everything you did on this side, on the driver's side, and then bam. And then I'm gonna get back to you guys once I got that on there because you already seen how to do it, so it's the same thing. Enjoyed the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and definitely go check out these tow mirrors. They're definitely ones to get because these things are freaking beautiful. So with that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one.